Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are fine. So friends, today I am going to show about this reel what you just saw in a preview. So friends, without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So guys, first you need the VN app. VN app easy to find on Play Store. Can see interface of this app. And guys, you have to need 18 photos to edit this video. So import the photos from phone library by clicking on plus icon and new project option. You have to take like this and delete the default clip of this application. Okay, and select the ratio of 9.16. Okay. Now we will add music on here. Music link is given in the description. You have to download reel video. After that we will extract the audio from this reel. Okay, to extract the audio, click on plus icon and music option, then click on plus icon and extract from video option. Okay, now you have to take downloaded reel video which is okay, and you have to click on OK option, click on choose option and click the music beats option. Okay, now we have to put the beat marks by listening the music. You can see how I put the beat marks. So guys, you have seen in this way you have to put the beat marks. Now you have to done from here and again click on here. Now we have to trim the photos according to the beat marks. After trimming I will tell you the photos durations. So you can see how to trim the photos.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Take me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly, oh yeah. The moonlight.
So guys, you have seen in this way you have to trim your photos. And now note the photo duration. First photo duration is 0.30 second. You can keep it. And second photo duration is 0.17 second. Third is 0.23 second. And fourth is 0.19 second. Then 0.23 second. Then 0.29 second. And 1.3 second. Next photo duration, and next is 0.22 second, then 0.20 second, then 0.19 second, and 0.15 second, 0.18 second, 0.18 second again, 0.16 second, and 0.74 second, and last is 0.95 second. Okay, I hope you have noted correctly. Now our video is ready to save. Click on export option and run from here. Now click the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to trending viral reels related videos. So see you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.